Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK OES air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, W222. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Begin by setting the steering straight and lifting the vehicle. Remove the front left wheel and the fasteners holding the wheel well liner. Remove the inner wheel well liner to access the air suspension compressor. Next, disconnect the two electrical connections on the compressor. Carefully remove the airline fitting, ensuring no dirt enters the system during this process. Locate the exhaust hose leading to the compressor. Pinch and slide the hose clamp off the air fitting, then remove the air hose. This step is crucial for the compressor's removal. Remove the three mounting nuts to detach the compressor from the vehicle. Carefully take out the compressor, ensuring no components are damaged during removal. With the compressor removed, installation of the new one can begin. Use the accessory kit to install the three rubber grommets on the new compressor's mounting brackets. 3 new bolt isolators are also provided in the accessory kit. You will use these during installation. Install the new compressor using the provided isolators, washers, and mounting nuts. Ensure the compressor is oriented correctly and all nuts are tightened to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the exhaust hose to the new compressor. Then connect the two electrical connectors to the new compressor. Make sure all connections are secure to prevent future issues. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Remove the shipping pin from the compressor and insert the airline into the new fitting until it is firmly seated, ensuring no leaks can occur. Now that the compressor is installed, it's time to replace the relay. Under the hood on the left-hand side, remove the trim panel covering the fuse box that contains the compressor relay. Then locate the compressor relay. Replace the compressor relay with the one provided. After replacing the relay, close the fuse box and reattach the trim panel. Reinstall the fasteners and wheel well liner, followed by the front left wheel. Ensure everything is securely fastened before proceeding to the next steps. Engage the vehicle's air suspension system according to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. This step is crucial for the system's proper functionality. Then lower the vehicle. Congratulations, the installation is complete. Thank you for choosing Arnott for your air suspension needs. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please contact our support team.